Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and connectivity. Plug the USB into a known good cable and port so you isolate the problem. Check Device Manager or System settings immediately. Look for error codes or yellow icons, because that tells you whether it's driver, power, or enumeration. Once done, remove other USB devices so nothing interferes with bus power. If you have a powered hub, use it. If not, test both front and rear ports to rule out weak port power. Now focus on drivers and firmware, because most recognition issues come from software. Open Device Manager, uninstall the problematic device, then scan for hardware changes so Windows reinstalls drivers. If that fails, download the latest drivers from the vendor or use Windows Update. Disable USB Selective Suspend and Power Saving on the host controller to prevent the port from cutting power. Once done, test the device again. If it enumerates inconsistently, try a different OS or a live USB environment to confirm software versus hardware. Finish with hardware diagnostics so you can decide repair versus replace. Inspect the USB connector for bent pins, corrosion, or debris. Clean with 90% plus isopropyl alcohol and a soft brush, because conductivity issues often hide in grime. Test the device on a second computer. Consistent failure points to the device itself. Intermittent issues suggest cabling or solder joints. If internal board damage is present and you're comfortable, reflow or replace the connector.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.